They from Georgia, down in Fulton County. Are you related to the owner?
No. I got the jalapeno burger.
Jalapeno burger? They just called my name. I'm about to go up here and get it. Okay, that's that. Look at it right there. That steam coming off. I see those onions in there, that nice melted. All y'all ordered? Oh, you taking orders? Yeah, what? Look, they got the automated teller out here taking orders. How long's the wait about?
Well, it was 5 minutes. We had a little hiccup.
Okay.
10 minutes at the most, I would say.
10 minutes at the most.
Yeah.
Okay, what would you suggest that I get?
Well, I'll tell you what we have, and then you can, you know what I mean?
Okay.
So we're doing 3 burgers today.
Yeah.
Everything comes with lettuce, tomatoes, grilled onions, cheese, special slut sauce, and a Hawaiian bun.
Special slut sauce?
Yeah, that's what makes the burger go crazy.
I want that.
Right there.
I want some slut sauce.
Everything is plant-based. The only difference is the one night stand has vegan bacon, fussy hussy ass pickles, and the sloppy toppy ass jalapenos. Everything come with French fries. Now, me personally, I like pickles, so
yeah.
You know.
So what would you get?
I would get the fussy hussy with the pickles. That's what I.
Fussy hussy. Let's do that, man. Fussy. What's in the fussy hussy again?
Lettuce, tomatoes, grilled onions, cheese, special slut sauce, Hawaiian bun with pickles. Is this your first time?
This is my first time.
Hey, yo, Slutty Gang!
Yo.
We got a virgin in the building!
And you know how we love our virgins.
Virgin born. So where y'all from?
Atlanta, Georgia.
Okay. All of y'all from Atlanta.
Well, you know, everybody's from different places,
but
we're
from
based
Atlanta.
in Atlanta, Georgia.
Based in Atlanta, Georgia.
Yeah.
So where you from, like, for real?
I'm from Baltimore.
Okay, from Baltimore. Okay.
Yeah.
So y'all got
Ravens.
Y'all got any crabs in there?
Not on the truck.
Okay.
I wish we did. But you know, this is a vegan truck, so we won't have it on there nowhere.
Nice. Yo, I got the fussy hussy, y'all. They just called my name. I'm about to go up here and get it. Word is born. We're gonna see y'all in the car because it's raining right now.
Yeah, Slutty Gang.
Yo, they wild.
Slutty Gang.
Yo, they wild on the truck.
We got a virgin in the building.
They my type of people, man. Word is born. Let's go check out the food. We'll see y'all in the car. I got my Slutty Vegan bag, man. They were telling me this spot started in Georgia. Down in Georgia. Got my bag. All right, that's enough of that. Y'all be getting too excited. These are the fries right there. Fries don't look too bad, man. Slutty Vegan. And yes, they're vegan. Got them French fries. What's they made in that vegan grease, y'all? What's that vegan grease? We're going to put them fries right there in the cup holder. Let me just taste one without anything on it. Those are good. Those are good. Those are good seasoned fries. I like them fries. I'm not a big fry lover, but those are good fries. Okay. Let's go now. I got more fries in the bag there. I don't know if y'all see that they fell in there. Let's check out this burger, man. That's what I'm eager to check out. Let's check out the burger. Give me a second. That's that fussy hussy right there, y'all. Fussy hussy by that's that fussy hussy by Slutty Vegan. Fussy hussy by Slutty Vegan. Say that 12 times real fast. Okay, straight off the top, y'all. Straight off the top. Okay, that's that. Look at it right there. That steam coming off. I see those onions in there. That nice melted vegan cheese, mind you. This cheese do not have any dairy in it. It's all plant-based. Got those pickles there, man. Got the bread. The bread feels nice and warm and soft. And got that vegan burger, man. With the fries, came to $19. $19 for a burger and fries. All right, I just had to do this though because man, we got some vegan subscribers, and I know all y'all gonna be like, "That's vegan, $19. You should have got you some real meat." I should have. Like, let me stop. Let's check it out, y'all. Okay, here we go, y'all. They didn't have any drinks there, you know, and I did want a soda. That's that burger once again, man. You know, it looks good, man. It's kind of heavy. Just to kind of let you know, the palm of my hand. Let me do the palm of my hand on this side. I don't want to drop my burger. It's a pretty good sized burger, man. And once again, let's take a look inside of it. It's definitely, that's that vegan cheese, man. Look. Look, can I tip it without dropping my pickle? Let's go for it, man. Stop playing around. Okay. I'm already thirsty, y'all. Because I just tasted a lot of spices. I taste like some hot pepper spice. I taste a little sweetness. I taste those grilled onions. I taste meat. This tastes like meat, man. I like these pickles. They're the real dill pickles too. You know one thing I hate? I'm not gonna use the word hate. You know one thing I don't like a lot? Are sweet pickles. How do people eat sweet pickles? I can see maybe making relish with them. Okay, I get it. This is really good. Look at that. You know what? Hold up, I'm gonna tell you. This is really good. They didn't have no drinks. And this pepper spice in my mouth, whatever that sauce is, that slutty sauce, it's spicy. I like that. I'm about to put some ketchup on the fries. My fries have been here cooling off as I was setting up my little cameras and stuff. What up? What up? But I am going to put some ketchup on the fries. The fries were really tasty. And I'm gonna let y'all know the quality taste of this burger is delicious. Because when I told you it was 19 bucks earlier, I was ready to say it's not worth 19 bucks. But so far, this is worth $20 to me. It's really delicious. And the fries are good too. I just wish my fries were piping hot. I mean, I had to come over. The truck's right there in the grass. I'll show you guys in a minute. I had to walk over here. Oh, wow. A bird just landed. A bird trying to get in here. Them birds, man, is it with me? Okay. One of the subscribers know me and birds, man. I think birds are out to get me. Y'all know I'm not a big lover of fries. And y'all always ask me, why didn't you get the fries? Why didn't you get the fries? Because most likely I knew how those fries were. I've never had these fries, so I got them. Really good. If these fries were temperature hot, I would probably have to go out running out of this car. Out of pure being surprised. All right, let's put the fries down. I need a drink. Look, I got all these empty cans in the house. I mean, in the car. I got all these empty cans in the back. Nothing got water in it. I had water before. All right. Let's get this some more, man. This is a nice size burger. Okay, I got a question. Do y'all think sauce can make a burger? Can really good sauce make a burger? And are you willing to pay $19 for a really, really delicious vegan burger? We need to do like a meetup near Slutty Vegan Truck, because I bet you that even meat eaters would be like, yo, this is a delicious burger. And he told some of the story, yo. The guy we were talking to, that's his sister. He's the brother. The guy we were talking to, he's the brother of the sister who started this whole thing. Hold on. Break it down to us.
All right, so my sister's Pinky Cole. When she decided to start this company, Slutty Vegan, she wanted some vegan junk food and there was no options. So she decided to try something herself and she put it together. Started out doing ghost plates on Facebook. That went crazy. From the Facebook, my mom helped her to get a truck, then got another truck. Now we're 14 stores deep. So you know what I mean?
How many trucks?
5 trucks altogether.
5 trucks, 14 stores.
Yeah.
How many states?
Don't give me the line, huh?
Okay.
Don't give me the
I'm
line.
out. I was gonna eat half and take the rest home. I need something to drink. I feel those spices in my mouth. I mean, it's not really hot. It's delicious, man. If you ever see this truck in your neighborhood, oh, there's a lot of fries in the bag. Let's see, maybe those are hotter. This your man, mattdv. If nobody told you they love you today, you are hanging with the wrong people. You're with the right cat now. I love you cats, man. You guys have a beautiful day, and I'll see you guys at the next one. Peace.
Okay, so girlfriend over there told me Slutty Vegan was in town. I said, girl, go get your t-shirt. We gonna go. She says, girl, I can't find. I said, girl, I'm wearing my t-shirt.
Yes.
My t-shirt.
Got her Slutty. Look.
Vegan.
What?
My husband is also gonna get a sandwich, even though he's not vegan, and I'm not either. But we're gonna do vegan today.
Yeah.
We are.
See that, man? You got a true believer over there. I'm gonna concur what she said, because I was just in the car, man, and that burger was the bomb. It was delicious. At first I was gonna be like, it ain't worth $19, but it was. Oh, see, look, I'm trying to get sister on video, but she keeps like, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. Yeah. Hold on. Yeah, that's right. Get a wide shot too. Get a wide one. There you go. Hold up, Mr. Umbrella. How you doing?
I'm doing good. How are you?
Do y'all not want to be on video? Okay. Respect. What up? We're at Slutty Vegan in Harry Thomas Square Park. What up, everybody? What up?
You said this your first time? First time.
First time.
Yo, Slutty Gang!
He's a virgin.
We got a virgin in the building!
Yeah! Marco said no.
Damn.
Like, not really.
Only to this. All right, so
What's up? What y'all getting?
I got the jalapeno burger,
Jalapeno burger?
and then the other burger with bacon.
You got what?
I got
pickles.
Pickles?
pickles.
That's right. What's that? That's the fussy hussy. That's the fussy hussy
I didn't get the names.
with the pickles. Yeah.
He said the names.
Yeah. That's the fussy hussy.
Yeah, it is.
Because I ordered the same one. I just ate it in the car. This is your first time getting one?
Yeah.
It was delicious. You know, these are artists here, guys, from Newark.